Hey guys, today is Natto Masters agree to show us another way to present her technique of natto, making her superb natto with different ingredient. Now we can see the slice of a cucumber, and on the left it's a sour plum, the Japanese ume boshi. And right next to it, I see the wasabi. Now she started stirring. To hear this sizzling sound of natto. It sounds like a sizzling sound of the beef meat as well. Okay. Now, so cutting the cucumber into the small pieces. Look at it, how small cucumber became. It's amazing. And okay, looks like I'm taking the inside out. It's a seed. Looks like this is a technique of using plum. Same way, like a slicing it into a small piece. I think using a real sour plum is better than the pasted one. So I believe this is her special ingredient. And wasabi paste. This is another wasabi came with this special natto. I think this is some kind of sauce, natto sauce. Looks like I shouldn't use just a little bit. Okay, it's starting mixing everything into one. Looks interesting. The cucumber in it. Yeah, I don't see much sour plum, but after I guess tasting it, you'll be able to tell. Now here it is. Take a closer look at it. Now the visually amazing. Look at this. Wow. It's gonna be another yummy.